Good afternoon. It is September the 27th, 2017. Time to recap another day's trading. Take a look at tomorrow. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may be under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came into today's market in the E-mini with a 4 to 6 sell, a 99 to 01 buy, and a 95 to 97 buy. And beautiful setup up here. Good run up, profitable. Good run down, profitable. We thought there was a pretty good chance to get in. We had a recommended buy at 95.50, and that trade was good for 3 points to many as 13 points if you'd held it up into this area. Last update, we said I thought the E-mini could make new contract highs of Trump's tax announcement this afternoon. That's exactly what happened. So again, your access to good information, tradable information, specific recommendations is good, and it can help you make money. Even got that last crude trade right for a scratch to a nickel. Crude's tough. It's very, very difficult market. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to do an H split, move out of the middle, new contract highs. I don't know where the high is, but obviously 25.25 is the next market number, and certainly within reach. So higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it based on the F1 screen. Based on the F2 screen, two distributions, put them all together. You do an H split, get a move out of the middle of this area right here. So 25.10 to 15 is the next resistance band. And we have Trump's speech, so we might see some profit taking in London tonight. So 9 to 11, sell 1. 14 to 16, sell 2. On the buy side, we're buying 3s to 5s and 99s to 01s. We have news tomorrow. Third revision, second quarter GDP 3.1, deflator plus 1%, real consumer spending plus 3.3, international trade minus 65.7. The GDP numbers are old. If they revise them higher, I might get a little stir out of the market. Jobless claims 275. Corporate profits, don't know, was plus 8.1. Could be revised higher. Nat gas, don't know, previously 97. It should be in the 90s, the builds right now. And KC Fed at 16. So don't have a lot of news to look at tomorrow. Old news or news that typically doesn't move the market, so I think it's down to Trump's tax plan and the market reception. Like I said, the Democrats have declared it dead on arrival, which is exactly what you'd expect, but it's going to be down to the Gang of 8. Are they going to support Trump on this or not? And my guess is right now they probably won't. If they're going to be consistent. Some rumors that Trump, by executive orders next week, is going to make healthcare easier to get access to. We'll see if that happens. Okay, strong selling in treasuries. Today's action says look for lower prices tomorrow. So, and we have the 7-year auction, which if it's going to turn around, it'll turn around on the 7 years. So right now we got support at 8 to 12. Buy 1 is 9 to 13. Buy 2 is 1 to 5. On the sell side, maybe a little bit higher, hard to say. Got this 2-letter break right here, this 2-letter ledge, so resistance is 18.5, so selling 16s to 20s, sell 1, 23 to 27, sell 2. Looking at the 30-year. Spread got crushed again. The buck to 04 is number 1. 7 to 11, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. On the buy side, 24, 28 is number 1. Buying 17s to 21s, buy 1. 5 to 9, buy 2. Interest rates are going up. No reason to own gold. No reason to own bonds or notes. Gold is under pressure. F1, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. F2, definitely B. Just breaking the market here at 90, so we're selling 89s to 91s and 93s to 95, sell 2. On the buy side, I think we're headed lower, but support's at 85, give or take, so buy 1's 84, 86, buy 2's 79 to 81. Crude oil did very well today. We had a trade that was good for a scratch or a nickel, and that's the problem now in crude oil. It's we can get a nickel, but we got 12-tick stops, so that makes it pretty difficult to take those trades. So we need a little more help before that trade becomes viable again. Inside day, find a place to trade it. Get through 52.50. That 53 to 53.75 would be the next resistance band. Inside day says trade it. Definitely a P, volume and timer match, so it's trying to trade higher. So 52 and a quarter, 52.50, sell 1. 75 to 53, sell 2. On the buy side, 75 to the buck, buy 1. Don't really like that trade. 25 to 50, buy 2. last model, the euro, lower today, got hit again. We like the short side. Fed's raising interest rates. No reason to own euros. Can make more money on your money. Sell a euro. Lower high, low on our F1 screen. Find a place to sell it. F2. Pretty square distribution. We did roll up. We did get a short off in our 15 to 25 area. Didn't produce a lot. We had what, 75 to 85 this morning. Yeah, 75 to 85 buy. We had a low of 71, so that was pretty good. Put it all together, we're still looking at a B. So 15 to 25, sell 1. 40 to 50, sell 2. Pretty much where we were this morning. We'll make 65, 75, buy 1. And 40 to 50, buy 2. And that does it for this September the 27th. We'll get after it again bright and early tomorrow. Y'all have a great evening, and we'll see ya in the AM.